this area, we've installed this drip system here, and so it's a way to be water efficient and only water the plants that we're going to plant in here in the fall. So this allows us to just be really efficient with our water use, minimize any potential erosion, and also limit the weeds that are going to grow out here. So if we were to use an overhead sprinkler system, we'd get a big flush of weeds, where with this drip system we're able to just water the plants that we're planting and let them really take over and push out those weeds over time. Some other things we noticed when we started to clear this area is we uncovered a lot of native plants that were here. And so if you see behind me, there's a lemonade berry and a prickly pear. And this is a different prickly pear that you see on our hills. It's not the lower growing prickly pear. This one gets tall. Some people call it chaparral prickly pear or tall prickly pear. This prickly pear is essential for cactus wren to nest. It grows taller than the other prickly pear, and so it allows for cactus wren to lay their nest there and to be a little more protected than they would if it was a shorter prickly pear. So we're really happy to see that. We're really happy to uncover it, and we will give it a little water to kind of give it a boost, and we expect it to get bigger and provide cactus wren habitat again, because we know that the cactus wren was out here at some point and was actively territorial and breeding and doing its thing. We also know that the gnatcatcher was out here, and we will be planting specific plants for that bird. Two other species that we will be planting for is the Alsagondo blue butterfly and the Palos verdes blue butterfly. And so we're kind of in the nexus here of where those two species overlap on populations, historical populations, and so we hope that they'll show up with the host plant being here. And so